Okay, let's take a look at this. And we're looking at 41. Okay, so we got our bell shape here. Now exactly here in the middle is the mean, and doesn't really say, but whether it's population or sample, but it doesn't matter. Same idea. Um, the mean, it says, was 76.6. Now we add the standard deviation over and over. So here we're going to add one more standard deviation. So we're going to take our 76.6, our mean, plus one standard deviation, and standard deviation is 2.7. So that gives us 79.3. Now here we're going to add another standard deviation. So we're going to take our value here and we'll add 2.7. And that's 82, I believe. And then we'll add one more standard deviation. So I take this value here and you add another 2.7. So that gives us 84.7. Now over on this side, we're going to keep subtracting 2.7. So we've got 76.6 minus 2.7. Not very good with basic math here, but let's see if that's right. Yeah, that's right. And then here we're going to take that value, the 73.9, and we're going to subtract 2.7. We keep subtracting 2.7 on this side. And that's 71.2. And then one more. We take our 71.2 minus our 2.7. And 68.5, I believe. Okay, now we got to fill in our percentages. And let's see. Bring up the chart here. There it is. These are our percentages. So you see here we got 34 and 34. So for our picture, this will be 34%, and this will be 34%. Then 13.5% and 13.5%, 2.35%, and this is 2.35%, and then this will be 0.15%. So this is our setup for this problem. Okay, now A. It says between 68 between 68.5 and 84.7. Now these are numbers you should see on your bottom here. If you don't, that means you did something wrong. Well, here's 68.5 right here, and here's 84.7 right here. So we're going to add up all the percentages in between those. So we got 2.35 plus 13.5 plus 34 plus 34 plus 13.5 plus 2.35. And I think that's 99.7%. Just having trouble here with my pen. If you add those together, I may not have added those correctly, but again, here's 68.5, here's 84.7, and we're adding all the probability in between them. So I'm adding from here over to here. So I'm adding all that. Okay, now B. It says 73.9 to 79.3. 73.9 is right here. 79.3 is right here. So we're adding all the percentages between those two values, which is 34% plus 34%, which is 68%. And C, between what two values will approximately 95% of the scores be? And this is best shown in this picture here. 95% is within two standard deviations. So let me do this in a different color. Let me do it in red. So 95% would be from here over to here. Two standard deviations. So that's between 71.2 to, that comes straight down to here, 82. And those would be our answers.